Hey cuties, so today is going to be a special day. I brought my godchild with me today and we're going to be doing a makeup look. She's going to be picking out the items that I should use on my face, and this is what we came out with. So please guys, you already are here, click the subscribe button for us, for me and Giselle. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Continue watching to learn this beautiful look. So we have to start off with a base. I'm gonna have her pick out a color from one of these palettes. Which one? Morphe? She picked Morphe. So we're gonna use the Morphe first. Okay, so she chose this orange shade right here for her first shade. Okay, so what I'm gonna be going in with is this orange shade called Fired Up, and I'm gonna use that in my crease. So I'm just taking it and I'm blending it from my crease into my brow bone. Alright, so we have the orange on. Alright, so now I'm gonna ask her what palette she wants to use again. This one? Alright. So she kind of took her finger into this brown shade right here. I don't want to put in her face. Right here. So I'm going to use that.
She's actually picking pretty good colors though.
I kind of thought it was going to be like random weird colors, you know? So I'm just taking that on the outer edge and blending that into my crease. Alright. I feel like the orange kind of died down a little bit, so I'm gonna go back in and I'm just gonna add it back in to make it vibrant. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my crease and I'm gonna add like a little shimmer. I just wanted to make this a little simple, fix up my face a little bit. I'm gonna have her pick from these two little palettes and see which one she likes. You like the Soda Pop? So she picked for the Soda Pop. What color would you like to pick? So she went for the shade Soda Fizz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 35M palette and I'm going to take a darker shade just so I can make it a little denser in the corner. As you guys can see, she kind of messed up it a little bit, but that is no problem. We can just clean that all up. She's a baby. She makes mistakes. This is really the eye look. Let me show you guys up close. Say hi. Alright, so the next step is I'm going to just conceal the bottom. So the next step is that I'm going to go underneath my lash line and I'm going to put that light orange and that light brown there. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. So I'm just going to set my concealer with my powder. I'm going to actually let Giselle do it. So I'm just gonna set her down real quick while she's playing with the brush, and I'm gonna put this brown in my waterline. So we're gonna put on some highlight, and I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Prism palette. I'm gonna take the second shade. So I'm going to let her choose between I'm gonna let her choose between these three different lip glosses and see which one she chooses. Well, she chose this one. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please say it. Subscribe! Right, you guys have a blessed day. Yeah? Yeah? You guys have a blessed day and enjoy.